Episode 11, My Family. Hello and welcome to Listen to Stories. This is a simple story for English learners. Today our character is Adam, and his story is about his family. Listen carefully and enjoy the story. My name is Adam, and today I want to tell you about my family. My family is the most important thing in my life. Without my family, I am nothing. So today I want to introduce them to you. My family has 5 people: my father, my mother, my older sister, my younger brother, and me. We do not all live together anymore, but we are always close in our hearts. Let me start with my father. My father's name is Hassan. He is 60 years old and he is a tall, strong man. He has short gray hair and kind eyes. My father worked in a bank for 30 years. Last year, he retired. Now he wakes up every morning and goes to the garden. He loves his garden more than anything. He grows tomatoes, herbs, and flowers. Every time I visit, he gives me tomatoes from his garden, and they are always the best tomatoes I have ever eaten. My father is a quiet man. He does not talk very much, but when he speaks, everyone listens. Because when my father speaks, he always says something wise. I want to be like my father one day, calm, wise, and kind. Now let me tell you about my mother. My mother's name is Amal. She is 58 years old and she is a small, energetic woman. She never stops moving. She is always cooking, cleaning, or helping someone. My mother worked as a nurse for 25 years. She helped many people in her life. Now she is at home, but she still helps everyone around her. The neighbors come to her when they are sick. The children in the street love her. Everyone calls her Auntie Amal. My mother is the heart of our family. She remembers every birthday. She calls everyone every week. She cooks for the whole family every Friday. Without my mother, our family would not be the same. Now let me tell you about my older sister. Her name is Lina. She is 32 years old, 2 years older than me. Lina is a teacher. She teaches English to young children at a primary school, and she loves her job very much. Lina is very different from me. I am quiet and organized. She is loud and spontaneous. She always has a new plan, a new idea, a new adventure. Living with Lina when we were young was never boring. She always made me laugh. Lina is married now and she has a baby daughter. Her daughter's name is Layla and she is 1 year old. Layla is the most beautiful baby I have ever seen. When I hold her, I feel something I cannot describe. Something warm and happy and full of love. I am a proud uncle. Now let me tell you about my younger brother. His name is Karim. He is 25 years old, 5 years younger than me. Karim is still a student. He studies engineering at university. He is very smart and very hardworking. He studies every day from morning until night. Karim and I are very close. We talk every day on the phone, we play football together on weekends, and we always support each other. When I have a problem, I call Karim, and when Karim has a problem, he calls me. That is what brothers are for. Karim will finish university next year, and I know he will be an excellent engineer. I am so proud of him. And now, let me tell you about my grandmother. I know I said 5 people in my family, but I cannot talk about my family without talking about my grandmother. Her name is Fatima, and she is 80 years old. She lives in a small house near my parents. My grandmother is the oldest person I know, but she is also one of the most alive people I know. She wakes up early every morning. She prays, she cooks, and she works in her small garden. She says, "A busy person is a happy person," and I think she is right. My grandmother tells the best stories. Stories about her life when she was young. Stories about our family, our history, our roots. I can listen to her for hours, and sometimes I do. Every Friday, our whole family eats lunch together at my parents' house. My mother cooks a big meal. My father sits at the head of the table. My sister comes with her husband and baby Layla. My brother comes from his university, and my grandmother comes from her small house nearby. We all sit around the table and we eat and we talk and we laugh. Sometimes we argue about small things, but we always end with laughter. These Friday lunches are my favorite time of the week, because in that moment, everyone I love is in one room, and that is the most beautiful feeling in the world. I am lucky to have my family. Not everyone has this. Some people are far from their families. Some people have lost someone they love. So I never take my family for granted. Every time I see my father in his garden, I feel grateful. Every time my mother calls me, I feel loved. Every time I laugh with my sister, I feel joy. Every time I talk to my brother, I feel supported. And every time I listen to my grandmother's stories, I feel connected to something bigger than myself. This is my family. Simple, warm, and full of love. And I am grateful for every single one of them. Thank you for listening to this story. I hope you enjoyed it today. Subscribe to listen to stories for more stories. See you in the next episode.